crushed crispy potatoes. So we're going to lightly crush whole medium potatoes that I put into cold water, covered them by 2 inches. I'm just flattening them out and kind of splitting them a bit, okay? So all you do is cook medium potatoes, Yukon Gold or a medium white skin potato, until they're barely fork tender. Then drop them into the strainer and just let them cool a bit, just enough to handle them. The second I cut them in half, and this is important, if you're going to be working on several things at once, like I'm always doing here, right when you cut them in half and put them on this tray, cover them with a little non-aerosol cooking spray, canola or olive oil, your choice, so that they don't start to brown on you, okay? Then we're going to season them. Now, here's what I did here. John, can you get a close-up in there? I took granulated garlic, salt. I used kosher salt, whatever salt you like. Pepper. I used a peppercorn blend. And I just made granulated garlic, salt, and pepper. We're going to season the potatoes themselves liberally. Potatoes love seasoning, right? Especially salt. So we're going to season them liberally. The oven is at 500 degrees, really hot, because I don't have a broiler primarily. You could actually do this from center oven under your broiler, because chances are you have a broiler. I mistakenly ordered this oven without a broiler, as I've lamented to you. So, okay, these guys go in the oven until they're nice and brown. The potato tops, we want them to be a little brown and crispy at the edges. Then we'll add the cheese. Then we'll brown the cheese. Then we'll add a little green onion to the top of that, okay? Okay, guys, checking the potatoes. I browned them first. Well, actually, I boiled them first. Then we split them, crushed them, and browned them. Then we covered them in cheese. Again, this is queso fresco, Monterey Jack, and Parm. Any easy melting cheese you like in any combo you like. But what's going to make this really special is just adding a little granulated garlic to the salt and pepper that we put on the potatoes. Let's top our cheesy 3 cheese potatoes with scallions.